Hey guys, I'm back with another installment of my Spring Fever 2019 where I'm sorting and I'm purging. I'm getting rid of stuff that I'm just so ready to let go of. I've been on a big kick with it. I've done a few videos already. I have them all linked below if you guys want to see what I've been up to so far. And today I want to tackle my wardrobe. Now, on the one hand, this could feel daunting, but on the other hand, it really doesn't. I did a huge clean out 4 or 5 years ago, and then I subsequently did another couple of pretty big sweeps, basically every spring since. And that's not to say I haven't acquired clothing since then, but between 2 pregnancies, so lots of maternity clothes, lots of postpartum, fluctuating sizes, I just wasn't buying a lot of new stuff that I wasn't wearing a lot. If that makes sense. I have a mama form, I like to call it. I'm wearing it today. T-shirt for layering, cardigan, like generally a long one, and jeans. That is basically what I wear most every day when it's cold or coldish outside. If it's not cold, I'll lose the cardigan. Anyway, now that I am putting my baby making days behind me and moving more towards what I think is my like not in the baby making years size, I'm like moving more towards that, what my body's gonna settle into. I mean, body composition is so interesting, I think, especially as a woman going through childbearing, and then there's just a lot of different things that happens, and you can remain the same weight even, and your body composition can completely change. And actually, that's been the case for me in the past year. It's been almost, I think it was about May, like mid-May, or I can't even remember. It was sometime in May last year where I hit my pre-pregnancy weight. But of course, my body was just completely not what it was pre-pregnancy. I would say pre-pregnancy with Charlotte was a lot different than it was pre-pregnancy with Donnie, even though the number was the same. Like that number, pre-pregnancy weight for both kids, was basically the same. It only differed by like a couple of pounds. But my body shape was totally different, and how clothes sit on me and how I felt comfortable in clothes, that was totally different. So yeah, body composition, what a thing. Anyway, I am ready today to sweep through. Like I said, I've gotten rid of a lot. I did even a purge last year, which I'll throw up in a card if you guys want to see. I got rid of like all my maternity stuff, anything that was really ratty. The thing with my clothes now is that I tend to wear the same like 5 t-shirts over and over and over again, and they get these holes actually at the bottom of them, and a lot of people I mentioned this last year, and a lot of people messaged in saying they had that too, and it was from leaning up against counters all the time, or like changing table or the crib with the baby, and that rubbing against the fly of your pants. And especially with like me doing dishes, the way the sink, I can't help it, it does like splatter on me sometimes, the water, and that also will wear on the fabric. So I need new t-shirts. I'm not gonna run out and buy a whole new wardrobe, but I know I need new t-shirts. And I kind of want to think about in the next year, maybe not right this second, because like I said, my body composition is definitely still shifting. My baby literally just weaned, so that's all gonna change. My hormones are gonna settle into whatever they're gonna settle into, but that's still kind of in flux. So I don't wanna go crazy and buy a lot of stuff right now, but I do need some new t-shirts for spring and summer. And maybe, I don't know, I have to look at my bottoms. I don't even know what like spring and summer friendly bottoms I have. But I think, you know, in the next year or so, I want to have some kind of nicer casual outfits, dresses I can wear, maybe even skirts. I don't know, what a concept. And some nicer pieces too, because I think it's time to kind of switch that up. Anyway, I have less than an hour, so I want to see how much I can do in that time. I'm hoping to get the whole wardrobe done, but if it's just the dresser drawers, then I'll do the closet another day. So I have no time limit for this, but I'm not gonna sit and think too much. I'm just gonna get through stuff. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so let's go to it. Okay, so just to give you a quick overview, we're here in my husband and my bedroom, the master bedroom, I don't know, that's what it is. And we have 2 bureaus in here, really beautiful big bureaus, we have so much room for storage, and that can be a problem, I think. And you know, if you have the room, why not fill it? Well, I don't feel that need anymore. I used to, I don't anymore. So these 8 drawers are full of my clothes, and I think I can pare that down by at least 2 drawers full. I think I really can. There's nothing, there's yoga props in that cabinet, and that cabinet's empty. I left them open because they make a really loud noise when you close them, and I will open them to show you what's in them. And then over here, this bureau I share with my husband. He has significantly less clothing than me, and people are always so worried he doesn't have enough room for his stuff. You guys, he doesn't have enough stuff for the room we have, and he doesn't care. So please rest assured that Don has all the room he needs, and if he ever needed more, he could have it, no problem. Basically, the top 2 drawers are my undergarments, and the bottom 2 drawers are like lounge and pajamas. And I didn't go through those last year, and I'm definitely going to go through those this year. So I'm going to start over here. I'll just show you. This is yoga props. Sorry, my tripod is jumping. There's nothing in this guy. Oh, there's something in there. Oh, that's a plug thing for a remote plug. I don't know what you call those. Oh, there. It did the big loud thing. Anyway, that used to have all my pumping stuff in it, but I don't pump anymore. This, empty. Let's try not to slam this one. Okay. And this has all my fuzzy socks. Well, here, let's start right here. So far, we have the recycle pile, the donate pile, the couple of things to try on, and the Utah pile. Okay guys, I'm taking you into my closet now. I'm not going to do accessories, shoes, all of that today. That's basically all on this side, except for those middle things that are pants. I'm not going to do any of that today. I'm going to do that on another day. But I just thought I'd give you an overview of the clothes I have in here. Still quite a few things, but I have them pretty well spaced, at least in the dresses and on the bottom here. I have quite a few flannels and flyaway cardigans on the top because I do tend to wear those things more. And I did actually go through this not too long ago, I would say maybe a couple months ago, and I pulled out quite a bit. So I'm not sure there's going to be much more to pull out. But let's go through it and see. Okay, so what remains, it's not gonna look that different just because of the way the closet is, but those are all the hangers I emptied, okay? These are all the things I wanna try on. It's quite a few, but we'll see. And then over here is all of the stuff that I'm getting rid of, so that filled up quite substantially. So when all is said and done here, I have 1 bag of textile recycling, 1 bag of maternity specific clothes, and then that's all other donate things. And I haven't bagged those yet, but I'm guessing it's 3 large trash bags, not the white size, but the black ones. I have 1 pile of mainly leggings to go to the Utah house. And then I have this amount of stuff to try on. And honestly, I think about half of that is gonna go. So all in all, pretty good.
The following day.
Okay, I went through the pile of clothes and I'm getting rid of all of that. It's almost another half a bag, to be honest. And this is all that I'm keeping out of that. And that green shirt is on my watch list. Like if I don't wear it by the end of this year, it's gonna go. It's really beautiful. It's just, I'm gonna see if I wear it, basically. But yeah, I thought I did a pretty good job of the try-on stuff. Being thorough. Look at all that. 5 bags of stuff gone. And no real plans, like I said, to buy a lot of new stuff. Not that there's anything wrong with it. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. If you want to get rid of a bunch of stuff so you can buy new stuff, and that brings you joy and makes you happy, you do you, okay? I'm not going to judge anybody for that. Personally, at this point right now in my life, I don't want to buy a lot more stuff. I want to buy, like I said, about a half a dozen new t-shirts, maybe a couple of cute summer dresses if I'm feeling myself, if you know what I mean. Like I said, I've just made a lot of progress in body image and self-esteem, and I want to wear dresses and frolic. I don't know. Maybe not frolic, but yeah, I like the idea of having less so I can wear more of what I own, because I tend to be a creature of habit and wear the same 6 t-shirts every week, and I want to break free. I want to break free of that mold a little bit. And also, now that I'm completely done with nursing, I feel like maybe I can mix up my mama form a little bit. I don't know. We'll see what the year unfolds. We'll see what unfolds this year. I feel like I'm kind of coming back into my body and myself as an individual, separate from, you know, my momness, although that's a big part of me, of course. But I think it's a natural progression, and it's just part of the deal. Anyway, this was good, and I'm glad to have finished it, and I am glad to let go of these things. I am gonna go through my accessories and shoes with you. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do there. My feet did grow a teensy tiny bit, but I don't know if it means I need to get rid of all my shoes. I'm not sure. So we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But I hope you enjoyed this and that it gave you some motivation to tackle your own stuff if you're feeling swayed in that direction. And I hope your spring cleaning and decluttering efforts are going well. Thank you so much for watching, and take good care. Bye, you guys. Happy cleaning.